Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am back with some CVS finds. I have some great deals with some CRTs. I'm going to see what kind of clearance they have. When I was in the store on Sunday, they did have a couple different clearance things, but I really didn't check it out. So I'm going to see what they have, show you guys to see if there's any deals that you might want to get. But in the meantime, go ahead and get your inserts out because there's a couple insert coupons that we're going to use, as well as your CVS app, so we can match up those CRTs. So guys, let's get ready to save. Okay guys, so CVS is having a great deal on vitamins and some clearance items. The Live Better Chelated Magnesium Powder is regularly $10.79. It's 75% off. So that will come down to $2.69. This is what it looks like, in case you're wondering. And then they have the vitamin D caplets. That's what this looks like. There are 30 in a pack. They're 75% off, regularly $7.79. They come down to $1.94. There's also some Ensure on clearance, but my store is sold out. They have the Ensure, hold on, there you go, the Ensure 12 packs that are 40% off, and then they have these that are 75% off. I don't have a picture to show you because my store is sold out, but if your store has them, be on the lookout and grab them up. Here's another clearance find. They have the CVS roll-on foot pain relief that is regularly $11.99. That's on clearance, 75% off, $2.99. If you have the $4 off 10 CVS foot care CRT, that will attach to this also. So now here, these are the foot, let me get this, foot and nail files. They are 75% off. This is what they look like. So it's a bunch of them in here. It's one foot file and one nail file. They're regularly $9.99 and they're 75% off, $2.49. So you can combine these along with the foot sprays, get you $10 worth and get $10 worth and get $4 off. So here's some coffee finds that are on clearance. You have the Big Roast of Gourmet Supreme Folgers on sale. That's the 24.2 ounce, which is 30% off, comes down to $9.65. And then you also have the Folgers Classic Roast, and that is the 11 ounce. That comes down to $4.05. And if you have some coffee CRTs, they will attach. And then also they have the Folgers Country Roast, and that is the 25 ounce, and that is 30% off. There's also some cereals that are 50% off and 35% off. Here's the Special K. The Special K with protein is 50% off. That comes down to $2.59. And then here are some the chocolate Cheerios, which are 35% off. So you could even have some coupons to match up with those. Then we have the Geo Organic Raisins, 40% off of those. So plenty of clearance finds, guys. Hey, if you like Pringles, they have the Pringles on sale. The Pringles, I guess it's these here. Yeah, the jalapeno pepper. Those are 50% off, so those come down to $1.34. And then there's some Gold Emblem Extreme Hot Cheese Popcorn, 50% off. And then you have some cheddar puffs, which are 25% off. Guys, we all know that bug season's coming around, so if you need some Hot Shot bug killer, that big thing of Hot Shot is 20% off. So you might want to grab that if you need some bug killer rather. The draft beads are 20% off. Those come down to $4.79. I really haven't found anything that I know that I'm definitely going to pick up yet. I'm just kind of browsing the store. Although I may get this pledge here, if this is right. Here we have the Febreze. That Febreze is 30% off. And oh, it's the TH Furniture Polish. So I'm not sure because this pledge goes here. Oh, okay, that is the Total Home Furniture Polish, which is 75% off. That comes to $1.57. That's pretty good. Then you have the pledge, the blue pledge here, 30% off. So that Total Home pledge, not pledge, but the Total Home Furniture Polish, I might have to get that. That looks like a pretty good deal. I have to see if any of my CRTs will match up with it, because I love to get stuff with my CRTs. Okay, I don't know if you guys are familiar with this product, but it's the Frisky Immunity Boost. Those are actually 50% off. So those are $29.99. They come down to $14.99. And then we have these Envive caplets. Those are 25% off. So the things that are like 25, 30% off, I'll kind of wait on those to go down to like 75%. Then I would buy them. Here's some iPads, not iPads that you guys are thinking of, but like medical iPads. They're $1.99. They're 75% off, so those come down to 49 cents. That would be a good buy if that's something that you use. There's some Zantac that's 25% off, and there's one that's 20%. I wouldn't necessarily get these. I would wait definitely for a Zantac coupon. Those come out all the time. Wow, this is a first. There's Flonase on clearance for 20%. I would definitely wait for this to go on sale, but you could use this, and I think there's a $4 and an $8 coupon in last week's circular, I believe, so that would definitely match up with this. Okay guys, I just looked at my CVS app. There is an actual $8 digital that attaches to this Flonase product, and I have a CRT $6 off $30 in allergy, so I could get this if I was to find something else to add this up to $30. So that would be a good deal, but I would still wait for another week or so to see if it goes down some more. Here's some more cereal. These little cereal bowls, they're 50% off, so that brings them down to $1.74. There's some more of those hot Cheeto puff things, but that's the smaller bag. Those are 30% off. I don't know if you guys need batteries, but there's all kind of door sale batteries here on clearance, and a lot of them are like for hearing aids and different like watch batteries, all that kind of stuff, but they're like 50 and 75% off. So if you need those kind of batteries, it may be worth your while to just come and just look and see what they have. Okay, here's more clearance finds. The Touchless Sanitizer Soap and Dispenser, that's 30% off. Here's some wipes, Ready wipes, 75 in a pack, 75% off. That's pretty good. These, I got these before and I love these. These are 75% off. They come down to 99 cents. You get 90 wipes in a pack, and I like it because it has the flip cap. And then they have the smaller version of it for $1.29, 75% off. Those wipes are a good buy. I still have tons of those. That's the only reason I'm not picking more of those up. Look what I found, guys. Look what they have more of. The Disney Princess and the Star Wars wipes. You guys know I'm about to clear all these out again, right? So I gotta put the phone down so I can get these. Here's some more pads that are on sale. It's the Tampax brand Pure 100 Organic Cotton Tampons. Those are $9.29, 75% off. And then you have the other Tampax Organic Cotton Tampons, the bigger box. Those are only 25% off. But then you have here, you have some CVS brand tampons that are 75% off and 40% off. So some pretty good buys there. And then we also have, oh, that's not there. Guys, look, I'm getting them all, and I'm going to ask them if I can have the display boxes. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to get what I came in here to get, and not fool around with the clearance. So normally with my $3 baby CVS CRT, you guys know I usually get the big pack of wipes with the shea butter in it, but unfortunately they don't have any of those, so I gotta get something else. So I would get these, which are $2.49, but that's gonna waste 51 cents of my CRT. So I'm gonna get 2 packs of these, which are $1.49. It comes out to the same thing, because it's 20 in here, so that's 40, and then there's 40. But these are easier to like throw in your pocketbook or whatever, so I'm gonna grab 2 of these. Okay, I also have a $3 off pain CRT, and you can use that on anything. Last week I used it on the Aleve, but I just have one this week, so I'm going to use it on the baby aspirin. I'm going to get the CVS low dose baby aspirin. They're $3.19, so I'll pay 19 cents for these. That's fine. So this is going to be my first transaction, the 2 packs of baby wipes and the baby aspirin, and we're going to head up to the register. Okay, guys, so here you see I got the baby wipes. You see they are buy one, get one half off. I mean, buy one, get one 40% off. I didn't realize that when I was back there, and the store is not tagged, or else I would have gotten a different set or chose different ones, but it's perfectly okay. It still worked out fine. Then I got the aspirin for $3.19. You see the $3 off any pain relief came off. The $3 off CVS Healthy Baby came off, but actually only $2.38 came off because I paid $1.49 for the first one and 40% off for the second one. And then I used my 2 cents in extra bucks, so I paid a total of 19 cents out of pocket. I'm absolutely fine with paying 19 cents for 2 things of wipes and a thing of aspirin. Okay, guys, we're going to do another deal on the Depend silhouettes, and we're going to do the smaller boxes because those are $16.79, whereas these are $22.49, and those are the ones we got the other day in my other video. I think we end up paying like $2 for them. Okay, guys, so here is my receipt for the Depends. You see it's $16.79. I used the $2 digital coupon. I used $4 off Depends, any Depends CRT, and $4 off any adult care. That brought that down to $6.79. I submitted my receipt to Shopkick, and I got back a total of $8.40. So when you subtract $8.40 from $6.79, this is a $1.61 moneymaker. Fantastic. They paid me to buy some Depend. Okay, guys, I'm not sure what happened with the video in the store, but the next thing I got was the Pepto-Bismol. This is the 4 ounce. This is the smallest one and the cheapest one. It was $4.79. And I grabbed it because I have a $3 Pepto-Bismol CRT, so that'd bring that down to $1.79. Now, if you wanted to get more digestive items, you can, because this also attaches to the digestive. I think it's like $4 off 20 digestive products. Okay, guys, so I was looking for this at the other store, and I couldn't find it, but I came to another store, and I found it. It is the Duracell Rechargeable Value Charger. It's the charger plus the 4 batteries. So let me show you guys. See this? I hope it clears up. This is regularly $21.49. Let me print out the label, then maybe you could read it better that way, because there's a glare on the screen. Okay, here we go. Okay, so here you see. Nope. Let me go over here. I don't know what's going on, but I want you guys to be able to see this because this is a really good deal. And like I said, I went to the other store looking for it and I couldn't find it on Sunday, but I finally found it here. So it is this. Let me show you the UPC. Oh man, you still can't see it. Well, here, nope, the UPC doesn't print out on there either. Let me take my flash off. Nope, that's off. Okay, well, anyways, guys, look for this one. Okay, it's regularly $22.59. It is on clearance. It's regularly $21.49, but it is on clearance for $5 and some. It didn't even print out on the paper. Here we go. It's $5.37, regularly $21.49, down to $5.37. This is an excellent deal, guys. I'm going to go ahead and pick this up. Okay, so let's go over our receipt. Here is the battery charger, which was regularly $21.49. It is on clearance for $5.37. Now, guys, I believe there is a Duracell battery out there. I forget when it expires, but I know I tore it out to use on Sunday when I was looking for these batteries and I couldn't find it. So I brought the coupons back home and I broke the golden rule of a couponer. If you're a couponer or you truly want to save, you should always have your coupons in the car. So I missed out on that because the coupon was either $1, $1.50 or $2. I'm not sure, but that every bit of savings helps. So I missed out on that. Then I got the Pepto-Bismol for $4.79. I used the $3 off Pepto-Bismol CRT. My total came to $7.16. I'm absolutely fine with that, guys. Okay, guys, so here is my haul. This is what I ended up with. And now that we're home, I'm going to try to show you this. Here we go. Now you can see the UPC. That's so much better. Okay, so now you know which one to get, because there's a couple of different ones there, but I just want to make sure that you get the right one because there's different UPCs and all of them are not on clearance. It's just certain ones. So this is everything that I got. Okay, so this is everything I got. I got the aspirin, the silhouettes, the 2 baby wipes, the Duracell batteries, and the Pepto-Bismol. So with the moneymaker from the silhouette Depends, that really helped me out as far as my out-of-pocket. So out-of-pocket altogether for all 6 items, I paid $5.74. That's excellent, especially with the Depends being $16 and some, and then for the Duracell being $21 and some. So guys, check your stores, see if they have those value packs. Don't forget about all the clearance items I showed you. And till the next time, keep on saving.